When you type Netflix.com and hit enter, you're not connecting to Netflix's servers. Not directly. Your request passes through an intermediary first, something Netflix deployed on purpose. That's a reverse proxy. And if you're on a corporate network, your request may have passed through another proxy before it even left the building, a forward proxy. Same word, opposite jobs. Both forward and reverse proxies are intermediaries. They sit between clients and servers. The entire distinction comes down to one question. Which side hired this middleman? A forward proxy works for the client. You want to contact a company, but you don't want them to know who you are. So you hire a representative to go on your behalf. The company only deals with your representative. They have no idea you exist. That's a forward proxy. You configure your browser or system to route traffic through it. Your requests go to the proxy first. The proxy forwards them onward. The destination only sees the proxy's address, not yours. A website is geo-blocked in your region. You route your traffic through a proxy located somewhere the content is accessible. The website sees the proxy's location, not yours. Or corporate networks often route traffic through a forward proxy, allowing administrators to monitor, filter, or cache requests. Reverse proxy flip the relationship. Now the proxy works for the server. Same idea as a company's front desk. Visitors don't wander the building looking for the right person. Everyone checks in first, and the desk routes them to the right place. Clients think they're talking to one server. They have no idea there's an entire infrastructure behind that single entry point. This is a typical setup. Requests come in, the reverse proxy distributes them across multiple servers. Load balancing. A server fails, the proxy detects it and reroutes traffic instantly. Users don't notice. Same resource requested repeatedly? The proxy caches it and serves directly. Your backend isn't touched. Malicious traffic spikes? Rate limiting and blocking happen at the proxy layer before your application code is ever involved. Let's walk through a request hitting both. You're at work, you click a link. Your request hits the corporate forward proxy, it gets logged, your IP is swapped for the proxies before the request leaves the network. The request reaches the website, but lands at their reverse proxy first. The proxy routes it to an available server. Response comes back the same path. 2 proxies, 1 request. One worked for your company, one worked for the website. Neither side saw past their own proxy. Forward proxy, client's representative. Hides who's asking. Reverse proxy, server's front desk. Hides who's answering. One works for the client, one works for the server. That's it. Every large-scale application you use, Netflix, YouTube, most production systems, runs behind a reverse proxy. Load balancing, caching, security, it all happens at that layer. When you're building and deploying your own systems, tools like nginx, HA proxy, Trafic, or cloud services like Cloudflare and AWS ALB are where you'll implement this. If this helped, please like and share to help it reach more developers like you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.